Hello guys, welcome to Inside Mathematics, and in this video we are going to look into another word problem. And in this word problem we are having a question. Geoffrey spent 5/9 of his income and remained with $88,200. What was his income? So when we are looking into the solution of these questions, what you need to do, you write your data, and your data is the information that we are having. It is saying 5/9 of the income, and let us make x the income. So after letting x the income, we are going to say 5/9 of x is equals to this amount. So we don't know 5/x of the income, but what we do know is the remaining amount. So the remaining amount, the total amount of income in terms of fraction, we are going to use 1 minus 5/9 is equals to the remained income, or the remained money here that we can see. So this is the amount remained, and the amount remained is equivalent to this amount. So we are looking for the fraction of 88,200, which is nothing but 4/9, because here is just 9/9 minus 5/9. So we get this. So we can actually see that 4/9 is similarly equal to 88,200. The value of x now, we are going to say 4/9 of the income, which is x, is equals to $88,200. Then we're going to multiply both sides. So we're going to say 4/9 of x is equals to $88,200. Multiply both sides by 9. By 9, we cancel here. Here we remain with 4x is nothing but $1. So 9 times this, we get 0 here, 0 here, 8. We get 1. Here we get 3. Here we get 9. Then 7. So we get nothing but 793,800. So we divide both sides by 4. So it will be 4x is equals to 793,800 all over 4, all over 4. 4 into 4, here it's 1. So x is equals to $. Here it's 1. Here we are going to divide, we get 1. Remainder 3 into 39. We are going to get nothing but 9. And we are going to get a remainder 1 into 13. It is nothing but 3. We're going to get a remainder 1 into 18. It is nothing but 4. Here we're going to get a remainder 2 into 20. It's 5, then 0. So we get nothing but $193,450. So this is the income, or the value of x, and I want you to solve for 2a. There is the question. I would like to see your solution in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.